Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel UGC Net English by Deepika Verma. So in this video we will discuss what the critics have said about William Shakespeare. As we already know that William Shakespeare is the greatest playwright. So let's see what the critics had said about William Shakespeare. Let's start the video. So the very first writer is Robert Greene. He wrote about Shakespeare in a pamphlet out of jealousy. Tiger's heart wrapped in a player's hide. He also accused him of plagiarism and said him an upstart crow beautified himself with our wings. Robert Greene was one of the 7 members of University Wits. Ben Jonson, Bard of Avon, Sweet Swan of Avon. So if anybody asks you or if the question comes in your exam that who called Shakespeare the Bard of Avon, then the answer would be Ben Jonson. And Avon is the name of that place where William Shakespeare was born. Second quotation of Ben Jonson about Shakespeare is, "He is not of any age but for all ages." Third, he knew little Latin and less Greek. Fourth, I loved the man and do honor his memory on this side idolatry as much as any. He also says, soul of the age, the applause, the delight, the wonder of our stage. Ben Jonson also says about Shakespeare, my Shakespeare, rise. I will not lodge thee by Chaucer or Spenser, or bid Beaumont lie a little further, to make thee a room. Next he says, a quibble is to Shakespeare what luminous vapors are to the traveller. He follows it at all adventures. It is sure to lead him out of his way and sure to engulf him in the mire. It is from his preface to the first folio. John Dryden. If I would compare him, here him referred to Ben Jonson, with Shakespeare, I must acknowledge him the more correct poet, but Shakespeare the greater wit. Shakespeare was the Homer or the father of our dramatic poets. Jonson was Virgil. I admire him, but I love Shakespeare. Shakespeare was the poet of all modern and perhaps ancient poets, had the largest and most comprehensive soul. He wrote it in his work Essay of Dramatic Poesy. He was naturally learned. He needed not the spectacles of books to read nature. He looked inwards and found her there. Fourth, but Shakespeare's magic could not copied be. Within that circle, none durst walk but he. John Milton. Dear son of memory, great ear of fame. John Milton said this line in his On Shakespeare, 1630. In another poem, he says, our sweetest Shakespeare, fancy's child. Ralph Waldo Emerson. He was more original than his originals. He breathed upon dead bodies and brought them into life. Second, he says, I am the owner of the sphere, of the 7 stars and the solar ear, of Caesar's hand and Plato's brain, of Lord Christ's heart and Shakespeare's strain. Alexander Pope. But every single character in Shakespeare is as much an individual as those in life itself. It is as impossible to find any two alike. He called it in his preface to Shakespeare. Horace Walpole, one of the greatest geniuses that ever existed, Shakespeare undoubtedly wanted taste. William Hazlitt. If we wish to know the force of human genius, we should read Shakespeare. If we wish to see the insignificance of human learning, we may study his commentators. Second, his characters are real, being flesh and blood. They speak like men, not like authors. Dr. Samuel Johnson. In the preface to Shakespeare, he wrote, Shakespeare is above all writers, at least above all modern writers, the poet of nature, the poet that holds up to his readers a faithful mirror of manners and of life. The greatness of Shakespeare lies in the fact that he presents life as it is. Matthew Arnold. He found English a dialect and left it a language. Second, he says, others abide our question, thou art free. We ask and ask, thou smilest, and art still, out-topping knowledge. He also says, I keep saying Shakespeare, Shakespeare. You are as obscure as life is. John Keats. He says about Shakespeare, poetry come to him as naturally as leaves comes to a tree. H.T. Coleridge. The greatest genius that perhaps human nature yet produced, our myriad-minded Shakespeare. He wrote it in Biographia Literaria, chapter 15. Second, he says, of all Shakespeare's plays, Macbeth is the most rapid and Hamlet is the slowest in the movement. John Ruskin. Shakespeare has no heroes but only heroines. D.H. Lawrence. When I read Shakespeare, I am struck with wonder that such trivial people should muse and thunder in such a lovely language. W.J. Long. In a word, he is the universal poet. Harold Bloom. Shakespeare is the canon. He sets the standard and the limits of literature. T.S. Eliot. We can say of Shakespeare that never has a man turned so little knowledge to such a great account. He also says, Dante and Shakespeare divide the modern world between them. There is no third. T.S. Eliot praised Shakespeare's play Coriolanus by saying, Coriolanus is one of Shakespeare's most assured artistic success. So Coriolanus was the favorite play of T.S. Eliot. Sigmund Freud. Incidentally, in this meantime, I stopped to believe that the author of Shakespeare's works were the man of Stratford. Robert Graves. The remarkable thing about Shakespeare is that he is really very good, in spite of all the people who say he is very good. Elizabeth Barrett Browning. Dear Shakespeare, on whose forehead climb the grounds of the world, O eyes sublime, with tears and laughter for all time. Thomas Heywood. Mellifluous Shakespeare. Girish Karnad. Whenever I am asked who is the playwright who has influenced you the most, I say Shakespeare. Thomas Carlyle. If I say that Shakespeare is the greatest of intellects, I have said all concerning him. But there is more in Shakespeare's intellect that we have yet seen. It is what I call an unconscious intellect. There is more virtue in it that he himself is aware of. Robert Browning. With this key, Shakespeare unlocked his heart once more. Did Shakespeare? If so, the less Shakespeare he. Now friends, you give the answer of these two questions in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, then do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get every notifications of my videos. Thanks for watching this video.